Hello everyone, my name is Mason Crowell, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the shoring lab that we did in my temporary structures class at Florida Gulf Coast University. So this is us just going through the lab in class, going over what we're going to build and put together. The first piece of equipment we need is a foldable tripod. This foldable tripod is going to hold your floor props in place and keep them sturdy and keep them aligned to where you want them, keep them from moving. Next, we're going to have our floor prop. So that's going to go in, obviously, the foldable tripod that I just discussed. And this is going to also support either a lowering head or a supporting head, which is then going to hold your beam. So here is the tripod and then the floor prop in the tripod. There's a completed first stage of this lab, which was demonstrated by our instructor for the construction methods lab, which will be shown here in a second. So after that, we have to put on a lowering head or supporting head. Lowering heads are going to be on the outside of the shoring system, and supporting heads are going to be in the middle on the inside. The lowering heads really kind of lock the beam into place and are good, great support systems. They're strong, they're sturdy, and then you have our construction methods instructor adjusting the floor prop to the right height, which was, I believe, is about 5'5" for this lab. The height we wanted it at, maybe a little taller. And there's a student assisting him as he's going through the instructions for the lab. This is where we're learning, and him still teaching us and talking to us about the importance of the equipment. There we have the supporting head, which is going to go in the middle, and then we have the floor prop, tripod, and the lowering head all put together. And now we're starting to load the Doka beams. So these Doka beams go on top, and they fit inside of the lowering and supporting heads to keep them stable. You can see it's heavily enforced. This stuff is heavy, sturdy, and reliable. So there's the finished product when we were done. After that, you have your piece of plywood that goes on top. And this looks pretty good for a shoring system or formwork system to support a slab.